YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And man, I got something really special that I'm so excited to show y'all. But before we get into the video, man, make sure that you go ahead, if you're new here, and join the channel. Hit that subscribe button. We are currently at 721 at the time of me recording this video. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can hit 800 before October 1st. You know what I'm saying? We smashed our goal of 700 before the beginning of September. So let's see what we could do before October. So make sure that you go ahead, hit that red button, turn on your notification bell, join the channel. Also, go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the video, bring new people to the channel, and potentially grow the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then, last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Usually I would show you the shoe that I'm reviewing before, but I wanted to keep this one a little bit of a mystery, so you may have seen the box up there. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So here it is, big black box. Here it is, man. You can see the gold Jumpman on the top. Then we got the gold Air Jordan on the side, as well as on the other side of it. And man, I'm emotional that I got this shoe. Like, usually I do my whole unboxing thing and cutting it open, and I still did that and recorded it for y'all. I may put it up some point later in the video. But man, I'm so excited to get these. Let's read the official box label, man. Y'all should be able to figure out what it is from here, and if not, man, we're gonna get into it in the video. Here we have the Air Jordan 9 Retro Pinnacle Pack. The color, multicolor. This is a size 13. Now, I never owned a Jordan 9 before, and I heard a lot of people tell me that they run small, and I actually ended up going over to Hype Room and try on a pair of 9s that they had there in the size 13, and I actually like how they fit, so I did go with a 13. So I guess I'm kind of lucky that my size 12 order on the GoDaddy, or sorry, I got an 11.5. My 11.5 order on the GoDaddy got canceled, so I'm kind of lucky that happened, because I just don't think I would have been able to get my foot in there. But that's enough talking. Let's pop the top, man. Here it goes. Top off. To the top off. Oh man, I love these so much, man. I'm just gonna take one out right here, and here it is. YouTube, man. The Jordan 9 Pinnacle baseball glove pack, the brown one for the Scottsdale Scorpions with the 35 on the back. I am so happy to have these in hand. These released in 2017. I've been trying to find ways to get them in hand ever since they came out, man. Y'all don't understand. This is like an emotional unboxing for me. So as you can see, I couldn't wait. You know what I mean? I already did try this one on. I have my crease protector in there, so you can't really see how great the leather is. But I did still think about y'all, and I didn't un-DS this one yet. So I still have it, you know what I'm saying, how it's wrapped up tight. And now y'all can see just how good that leather is. Yo, the leather on these is crazy. Best leather on a Jordan, period, man. Just like a baseball glove. Smells like a baseball glove, man. Yo, I absolutely love these right here. So happy to have this shoe right here. So quick little history of the Jordan 9. This is the first Jordan 9 I've ever owned. The Jordan 9 is a shoe that wasn't made for Michael Jordan to play basketball in. It was actually made while he was playing baseball for the Barons, and he also played this colorway is for the Scottsdale Scorpions. Let me hold up the right shoe. It's just easier to maneuver. But this was also made while he played for the Scottsdale Scorpions. Well, this shoe wasn't made, but that's when the 9 was made. And that's why it kind of looks so much different than all the other shoes. That's why you see a lot of baseball cleat renditions of this. There's actually pictures of Jordan wearing a Jordan 9 cleat for the Scottsdale Scorpions, or sorry, for the Barons and for the Scorpions as well. But man, I'm so excited to have these in hand. And obviously the storytelling behind this, they made it look just like a baseball glove with the baseball glove leather. So I used to play baseball, you know what I mean? So I pulled out my glove. As you can see, the leather on each of them matches right up. You guys see the stitching that you get on the side of the shoe. I mean, I played first base, so this is my mitt, but it's not like a regular glove. So here we go, man. You guys can see the stitching. The color on these actually matches up pretty good. And I actually, I'm going to keep these laces in. They gave us, just like you can see, that comes on the baseball glove, the leather lacing that goes through, once again, the baseball glove lacing that you see right there. Really, really dope, man. Really great storytelling. I actually did bring out some of my extra lacing for my glove, and I was possibly thinking about relacing it, but it just doesn't match. Maybe switching it up, may get some different baseball laces. But yo, y'all don't understand, I'm so emotional about this shoe. I absolutely love these. One of my favorite shoes of all time that I've ever seen. This is probably in my top 10 favorite shoes I've ever seen of all time. And I'm so excited to have it in hand. This is my best pickup of 2020 so far. It's going to bump the other Grail that I got, the brown paper bag, man. Hate to do it, but it's going to have to bump it. Absolutely love, love, love these. Now let's get into some more detail, because I did want to, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to keep the shoe kind of pristine to show y'all some of the more the details. So as you can see in this shoe right here, I did take out the insole already. So that's one thing I did. I did go through, do my whole legit checking, looked at the stitching on the inside, checked the outsole, compared it to other pictures, looked at the box, all of that. Now the box is, I mean, it's an old shoe, so it is a little worn down. It's starting to turn grayish. But we do get on the shoe. If I could take this off, this is one of the dopest touches of it. That's why I had it covered. We get on the shoe, this bag right here that the Jumpman that hangs on the shoe comes in. And I thought it was fake because it had the 45, but I did look at other pairs. All the brown pairs actually do come with the 45, even though it's the 35 on the back that he wore for the Scorpions. And then we got the Jumpman, the 3D printed looking Jumpman with all the different textures. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Really, really dope touch. The Pinnacle Jumpman on there in black, I think it's absolutely fire. And like I said, I did take the insole out of these, because what I do with shoes that I think could crease, I do like to put the sole or the crease protectors in there, and I take the insole out to do that. But here's the insole, man. You got the pinstripes, the baseball stripes on the insole. Then on the heel, we got the gold Jumpman. Really, really super dope touch, yo. I love these shoes so much, man. Y'all have no idea. And then just to even add to the storytelling a little more, so they just tripled down on the baseball storytelling, right? The Jordan 9 itself was made because Michael Jordan was playing baseball. That's why it looks the way it looks. That's why it's rendered into cleat so many times, right? So, and then obviously, since it was a cleat or a shoe made while he was playing baseball, boom, we're going to make it look like a baseball glove, right? But the best part of this to me, and when it came out in 2017, the best / worst part, depending on how you look, is that the shoe comes, when you get it, when you got it back in 2017, came in this big black bag. So it was in the box, and then this black bag was inside of the box with the shoes in it, and you didn't know which one you got. So this shoe came out in 2 colorways. It came out in this right here, and then it also came out in the black colorway that you can see on the screen. But when you bought it, you didn't know which one you got. That's why the colorway on the box just says multicolor. It says it on the black one as well. And from stories that I heard, is you buy the shoe in store and you're not allowed to open it till you leave the store, and there was no returns allowed. Just like when you buy a pack of baseball cards, you just buy the plastic pack. I used to buy a lot of baseball cards when I was a kid. The little Topps pack right there, and you rip it open and you get whatever cards you get in there, whatever baseball players you get in there. So it's really, really dope. Thank you to the seller who sold these for including the bag in there. They didn't have to do that, but yeah, here's the black bag that it came in, man, and it's still kind of sticky. I guess it hasn't been touched in a while. These were dead stock. I guess they just took them out to see which one they had and then held on to them until they wanted to let them go. And they are in absolutely great hands. These are going to get a great amount of wear from me. Brown color, brown sail midsole, sail outsole, really easy to wear. You got the brown Jumpman on the heel. You guys can see right here on the back, we do got the globe. We got everything going for us, man. Leather laces, beautiful leather on the shoe. Absolutely love it, man. Oh, y'all don't understand how much I love this shoe. I'm gonna throw y'all on for it right now, and then I'm gonna come back to finish it off. Alright, YouTube, man, you got to see the on-foot of these bad boys right here. The Jordan 9 Pinnacle baseball glove pack. The brown baseball glove for the Scottsdale Scorpions, man. Absolutely in love with this shoe. My favorite pickup of the year. Not the year. This is my favorite sneaker pickup ever. This is my favorite sneaker that I own, period, man. I am so grateful to have these. So happy that I went ahead and drew up my plan to get them at hand when I saw the prices they were going for. Man, I don't know what order I'm going to post the videos as far as posting this and then buying from StockX. Bro, I'm so grateful, so happy to have these, man. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about these. Have you ever seen these before? Do you own a pair? Have you seen the black pair? I may still get the black pair at some point down the line just to complete the set. But yo, I am, one more time, just so happy to have these shoes, man. Absolutely in love. The Jumpman hanging on here is a great touch, man. Wow, it's an emotional thing. It's a shoe I've been chasing since it came out almost 4 years ago, and I'm just happy to call it my own, man. So happy. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead. Thank you guys for watching, man. If you are new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Also, if you made it this far, I think you were a little bit entertained. So go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring new people to the channel, to the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.